going to attempt to do a top end rebuild. Okay, so time has come for new piston rings. It's 85 hours now, so they recommend 50 hours racing if you're racing the bike, and 105 hours just normal use. So 85 is in the middle. So, and it's chewing a bit of oil, so it's time to do it. So I have not done this before, so this is going to be a first for me. So I'm starting by having a clean area, keep all my stuff. So I'm going to take it very slowly, record everything and place everything in order. So you need to take the tank off, seat, a few of the plastics. I am going to remove the exhaust, pull the whole exhaust. Then I'm going to attempt to, it's pretty easy, there's a couple of bolt screws there, one there, one on the other side there, and loosen that bolt there, and the thing should pop up, and that will give me, and then I can just undo the throttle body housing, the throttle body there, and then I'm figuring if I lift it, it'll just move that out of the way, and I can leave all the cables and everything on it. So that's less work for me. Okay, so now I'm going to take off the exhaust, put all the bolts back in. I like to put all the bolts back into where they come from, where I don't have any loose. I'll end up with bolts at the end of the job of just not knowing where they've come from. Okay, this one's next. Ah, fuck, that hurt. These are sharp fuckers, these things. That away. One. That's it. I should just slip it up. Springs off. Go. Yes, that'll let it bring it away even further now. That is good. Sure none of this stuff is going to get broken. Okay, give it a tighten. And it should hold there. Yep, there we have it. That looks funky. Yeah? Cool dude. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, draining out the water fluid. The coolant. So that's the drain out plug there. Okay, drained out all the fluid. It's all there. Disconnected the bottom hose, give me some more room. Undone the bracket that's holding the engine. What else? Just connected all those bits and pieces, that hose there. Okay, now the cylinder is all detached from anything, so it just needs to be undone. Okay, now we're going to take out the cam tensioner. Actually, I'll take the rock cover off first. Already loosen the bolts, the 3 bolts up here, I've already loosened them. So it just comes out. Just sit over there. Now we have the cam chain, nice and tight. First I'll take the outer one off, that's got the spring on it, so I have to be careful it doesn't pop out and lose it. Okay, there it is there. There's the spring. So yeah. Now I'll take the tensioner out. Size 21. Cam chain went really loose there. Do you want a video? Okay, that's the cam chain tensioner. Dirt trick, that's the aftermarket one. Because the stock cam chain are no good. Cam chain's all loose now. So now we'll undo these the top cradle, cam cradle. So there's bolts, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. Okay. Here we go. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, which I did, is to get top dead centre. Okay, so line up. I don't know if you can see them, but line up these 2 marks here. Got to face each other above that line there. Okay, it's out of place now because the cam tensioner is out. So they got to all face each other along that line there. Once you get that, there's a bolt under here. There's the bolts here, which you take it out, and there's a washer there. Okay. There's a washer. You take the washer off, and then you screw it back in. If it goes all the way in, you've got top dead centre, and that holds the whole thing in place. Okay. That's a good job. Big screwdriver works again. Any spaces there? Nothing. Must be the older model that has the spaces. And that goes there. Okay. Let's put this away. We have the looks in pretty good nick. Good look at them in the morning. Now, it should come off. Yep, there it goes, all this. So I don't know whether I have to just let the cam chain drop, or I should put a tie on it. I think I'll put a tie on it. Now. Okay, so this should just come out. Oops, something fell. Didn't like the sound of that. Oh, that was just the followers coming down, I think. I think that's all that was. Okay, now we have the cradle and the cams out, all those little bits and pieces. I need to take these, that out there, which will release the chain tensioner, and this bolt, and this bolt, and then I can start with the head bolts. Starting from this one here, going crosswise to this one, and this one, and this one. I'll loosen them bit by bit. Okay. We'll start with the tensioner. So that just releases that. Just like that. For inspection, looks okay. Okay, just go and inspect the cams. They all look pretty good. There's not much wear on them. I'm no expert, but the bearings seem to be okay. Teeth from the gear look good. The lobes look alright. Okay, that's one. suppose you have to loosen these first, because I think if you loosen these there'll be too much tension on these little bolts. You'll damage them. I think that's why. Be careful here. Do any damage from the chain tensioner. I think it's going to be in the way. This cam tension is going to give me frickin' problems. Gotcha! Okay, here we have it. Let's have a look at these valves, eh? Bit of crap on them. Carbon. Now for the cylinder. A little inspection here. Okay, time for the cylinder to come off now. It's loose. Bit tight. Bit tight. Just give it a little bit of a hit. Okay. Wait. Okay. Steering just came out. And that's out. Cylinder is out. Have a down stayed in there. Okay. Let's inspect this cylinder. Looks alright. Still got the honing in the barrel still there. Can't see any damage. That looks good. Put some paper towel in this cylinder. Clip there. You do not want to lose this in the cylinder. Give this. So clip another go. Alright. I need a small, tiny screwdriver to get in here. So I'll just wedge it in this little hole. Try and get under it. Nice, gotcha. Okay. Let's get the needle nose pliers in there now. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Now, just slip that through. Push that through the other side. And we should have the piston out. And piston out. So, I don't know, yeah, the black's all gone. Nothing left at all on the skirts. So it's definitely due for a change. Hopefully that's what was causing the oil to be consumed. What I want to do now is check for any play in the conrod. Now, I say you can have a bit of sideways play where there is a little bit, but no up and down play. That looks good. Let's see. It's a tiny bit of sideways, but nothing up and down. Excellent. That's good. Okay. Do you not want to drop anything in there? No. So I'll just seal that up. Then we can and I can inspect all the bits I took off. And order the parts, and then we'll be doing on my part 2 will be the installation. Okay, so over and out for now.